Okay, I'm back to working on this Duramax. I'm going to try and put the valves back together. It's been a while, so a lot of crap's happened since then, but I'm ready to, I think I'm just going to put this valve back together here. Got my gloves here. I've been working on a lot of stuff. My truck, my daughter's car. Well, it's not her car, but it's my car I'm letting her use. And had to replace the lower control arm on it because the torsion bar mount bolt stripped out on it. That was a pain in the butt. But I don't know if this is. You guys can fast forward anytime you want, because I'm not going to edit, so you're going to be doing your own edits on this. But just to recap, this is the valves of a Duramax, not a Duramax, but a Duropower. What is this thing? I don't know, it's a Duro something generator, and I was having backfire problems. I was thinking that it was the bent valves or something fell off on the valves. But it turned out that most likely it's gonna be the fuel selector valve that they have there. This guy right here. That guy right there. There's some sort of rumors on the internet that when you select it, it doesn't seat right, and you probably get gasoline and propane mixed in or something. But I'm going to bypass these and try it that way, see what happens. So I'm going to do some experimenting, but I'm going to try and put these valves back the way they were. Yeah. And I'm also playing around with this GoPro today. Learn how to use it. So I plan on doing some more instructional videos on stuff I do know that I'm more of an expert on. Okay. So these were the valves. I'm gonna guess that this guy. Oh, we gotta put these valve caps back on. So it's been a big adventure. I lost these guys right here. Found them. One more. Hopefully it's still in here. I did find it. Here's this guy right here. Hopefully I can remember how these things went. It's been so long. Also for those that missed my other videos, I've actually dropped these down this hole. I didn't realize this hole went all the way down to the crankcase or oil reservoir. That was a big project to get that out, and I got that out actually fairly easy. But I retrieved all that. Now I just have to memorize everything. Remember how this all went back. And I think these two rock arms are the same except the gap. I think the exhaust gap is bigger, so I'm going to put this one here. Put this one here. And I think this one went in here like so. These two parts are the same. Yeah, almost lost my cap here. Oh crap, where'd it go? I was trying to fold down this hole here. Okay. So this one goes that way. Doesn't want to line up. Having trouble getting this guy in. It's a little bit off. Why? Maybe. You know what? I'm gonna try something here. Why is this not lining up?